As adopted by the Institution of Chemical Engineers, chemical engineer is defined as a professional man experienced in the design, construction, and operation of plant and works, in which matter undergoes a change of state and composition. Studying chemical engineering involves learning theory in lectures, practical lab sessions, solving issues in problem classes, exploring new technologies, developing industrial strategies, investigating social and environmental impacts, critical thinking, problem solving. You can work in industries like food, pharmaceuticals, fuels, water and sanitation, oil and gas, preparing you to make an impact sustainably. Cagayan State University is here to help you make that happen. The scope of chemical engineering discipline. Section 4 of Chemical Engineering Law, Scope of Practice. Professional chemical engineering service must embrace the following similar services in relation to industrial plants. Consultation, requiring chemical engineering knowledge and skill, together with proficiency. Investigation. Estimation and evaluation. Planning. Preparation of feasibility studies. Designing. Preparation of specifications. Supervision of installation. Operation, including quality management, but excluding chemical analysis and operation of the chemical laboratory. The teaching, lecturing, and reviewing of professional chemical engineering subjects in the curriculum of the Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering degree or a subject in the Chemical Engineering Licensure examination given in any school, college, university, or any other educational institution shall be considered a professional chemical engineering service. On the year 1997, Cagayan State University Chemical Engineering Department was established to meet the manpower required for the growing agri-industrial needs of the region and to the entire country. And up to present, Cagayan State University Department of Chemical Engineering continuously transcend beyond excellence by producing equipped and skilled chemical engineers. It started with 3 pioneer students. Since then, the number of enrollees increased rapidly. So far, the department was able to produce competent engineers who excel in their respective field of expertise.
Hi, I am Crisolie De Vera from Batch 2017 and I am working as a process engineer at Coastal Bay Chemicals Incorporated. We manufacture acrylic latex for paint applications for the #1 paints in the Philippines and other top paint manufacturers in the country. In the future, you will be able to encounter subjects like chemical reaction kinetics, chemical engineering calculations, heat and mass transfer, which I was able to apply in my current job.
Hi students! I'm Roxanne Soriano, a chemical engineer from Cagayan State University, Batch 2013. So I'm currently based in United Arab Emirates and my company is Balbaki Chemical Industries or BSChE. So we are producing polyesters and polyurethanes. This is our company and I am working as Senior Quality Control Officer. What's cool about being a chemical engineer is that opportunities will always be there for you. And for me, since I graduated and passed the board exam, I started working in the polymer industry. Hope you're inspired. God bless.
Hi everyone. Chemical engineering is a broad field of study. Finishing a degree in chemical engineering can lead you to jobs like plant and process design, operations, maintenance, R&D, QA/QC, laboratories, safety, and many others. After graduating from chemical engineering, I've been to companies like Carsunco, Hizon Laboratories, and I've been to an oil regeneration company here in Saudi Arabia. Currently, I'm in a third-party laboratory where we do tests for construction materials, mineral analysis, groundwater monitoring, and many others. If you can see at the back, it's a specialized equipment for testing mineral samples. So good luck, study hard, and cheers to the future chemical engineers. I am Randy Binuyog, Senior Chemist at Fubros Rahimi Limited.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Chemical Engineering Department, and I'm glad that you have chosen this breathtaking and fulfilling course. I'm Sheila Joy B. Raimundo, and I'm currently working as a process chemical engineer in an environmental consulting company based in Australia, but we have local companies here in the Philippines. Our company is engaged in water and wastewater treatment services and environmental management. Aside from my work, I am currently taking my master's in environmental engineering at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, to gain more knowledge on how I can apply my chemical engineering background into environmental management. What I usually do is we help clients like hospitals, manufacturing companies, and other establishments to comply with environmental effluent standards by giving them innovative, efficient, and sustainable wastewater treatment facilities. I just would like to leave you this verse as motivation, which I have pondered upon during my student life until now. Philippians 1:6 says, "He who began a good work in you will carry it on to completion until the day of Christ Jesus." So once again, welcome, congratulations, and keep safe and healthy always.
The College of Engineering is headed by the dynamic College Dean Engineer Odi R. Quebra. And the Department of Chemical Engineering is headed by Engineer Cesar P. Lapidan, together with his 9 smart, able, and dedicated colleagues. Notable achievements of the Department of Chemical Engineering. Students in the department are trained to ensure that they would achieve academic excellence. The department was able to produce one top-notcher in the Chemical Engineering Board exam. Also, chemical engineering students are consistent winners in Quiz Bee competition and other academic activities. Students are also trained to undertake timely and relevant researches, some of which were awarded as Best Thesis in the University Search for Best Undergraduate Thesis. Students are not only honed in their academics, but also in sports and sociocultural activities.
Hi, I'm Narjan Kate Luis Ditirla, a third-year BS Chemical Engineering student. Chemical engineering is really challenging, and it is not just an ordinary program. That is why the journey may get more complicated and challenging, but if we put our unflinching and tenacious passion and determination, I'm sure that the title engineer will be within our reach soon. Mahirap pero kakayanin, and after we finish our studies, we will and must serve the nation for the nation. Padayon, Chem-Eng.
I'm Bianca Alegre and I'm currently a second year student of BS Chemical Engineering at Cagayan State University. I chose chemical engineering because of the challenge and the reputation it holds, and I saw it as an achievement worthy to be conquered. Transitioning into college was definitely an unfamiliar and alien experience for me, but in my opinion, as a product of the K-12 curriculum, the previous subjects I took in my senior year of high school really helped the process to become more easier, especially in my program, since chemical engineering in its first few years, the program relies heavily on past subjects like pre-calculus and general chemistry. Chemical engineering definitely taught me a plethora of things. It not only taught me about the physical world and the laws that govern it, but also my limitations and strengths as a person. Wish to welcome you to this journey. Padayon, future chemical engineers. Padayon, chemical engineers.